Well, as you know, I'm here at the Wales Millennium Centre in Cardiff, back in my home capital. At the moment I'm rehearsing La Traviata for Welsh National Opera, and then I'm really looking forward to returning here in April from the 17th to the 28th to sing 2 weeks of South Pacific. I sing the lead male role of Emile de Bec, a French plantation owner, and it's been an absolute joy to appear in this show. I've done it both in the USA and in the UK, in London and on tour. It's a fantastic show. I can honestly say it's one of the best shows I've ever been in my career. It won 7 Tony Awards on Broadway. It took America by storm on tour and also in Britain, and it's been playing to sell-out audiences all through the autumn. South Pacific has everything you could want in a musical. The original book that it was based on won the Pulitzer Prize. The original production in New York in 1949 was a multiple Tony Award winner. And this production of it was also won 7 Tony Awards, as I said. It's got everything you could wish for. It's got love stories, it's got tremendous dance sequences, and of course that wonderful music from beginning to end. It really is, I would say, the perfect musical. It's a great thrill for me to sing this role because it was written for an opera singer, which I am.